Woohoo! Now it's kind of like you gonna pull that fish in today, right? Oh shoot! Yeah. Watch. This fish right here. Number 3. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one, Papa. That's a 3.5 pounder right there. From what I can see. Maybe 4. Yes, sir. Look at this. Watch. 4-4. 4-4. 4-4. Good job. On picture. Oh man. Number 6. Yeah, there you go. You're about to put a lead on me I can't overcome. He's right on the edge. Oh. Got him. Little guy. I thought he was little. I see him. Pop shiner. There it is. No. Goodness. Is that a good one? There's some drag over there. Oh. Feels decent. Well, that one looks pretty familiar. We'll have to wait just to see if it ain't the same doggone one. Come here, big girl. Ugh. Maybe she's ate a couple shiners. She's 4'6". It's a 2-ounce difference. they'll still bite these. Like that right there. It just takes longer. There you go. 2.5, 2. Nice. Good healthy one. Oh my God, got it again. Yep, got it. That was a hungry one, boy. Ooh. Oh my God, there's another one. Came up and ate it. Get over here. Did you see that? I'll have to slow-mo that. The shiner fell off and another fish came up and ate it. Right there. Oh, that was neat. That was neat. Hopefully the camera got it. This is a good one. I'm gonna have to count the video. I'm guessing I'm somewhere around 8. Because like you were like trying to throw it and it was like, oh, you're so heavy, hard to throw. Oh man, he's all over it. Gosh. Is it a good one? Exciting. That's exciting. Yeah, sure was. That's the biggest one in the bucket, I think. Yes, sir. I know. Now it works. Yeah, that's the same thing that's happening to this white one over here. I can turn it on. It works. It locks. I go to throw. I get a hit. It's almost like a seatbelt. $3.11. Oh, shoot. Oh. Oh, man. Double hookup. Yours is probably bigger. We may have to put them side by side to see whenever you get a double. They're like twins.
Ooh, look at that.
Look at that. Look at the thing I got. Exact same length. Whew. My belly fatter. Not the monster I was hoping for on such a large shiner, but hit a little fighter. Get over here, son. You are caught. No sense in arguing. Sure enough, I thought so, and then I was like, See how much more color in here is? Oh, is that me? Oh, that's me. Oh, that's me. Me catching a fish right here at the boat. Big Betsy. Huh? No, not even close, man. You think? $3.13. $3.13. Oh. You didn't say anything. Back on. What a fight. It's not big, but what a fight. Oh, pulling in 2.5, 3 pounders and 3.5 pounders. Woo. Look at that sucker. What the heck? A little guy. Another healthy one. Yep, you got him right in the lip though. Right in the lip. Get you a fatty. Ooh, watch that motor. Betsy. Big Betsy. Oh boy. Oh boy. I'll stay on this side. Woo! That's just like the 6 or 7 fish that's been over 3 pounds, you know. There. Pretty, pretty, pretty.